First thing we want to do is we want to go on the left-hand side down to digital and select digital constant. Then you're going to go down to switches and select SPDT. You're going to rotate the switch twice so that the two inputs are on the left-hand side. And then we're going to copy it and paste two additional switches. On the left-hand side, we're going to go to schematic connectors and click on ground. And then we're going to connect the top input of each switch to power. And the bottom of each switch to ground. Now we're going to click on the top switch and we're going to rename it Seatbelt. We're going to name the second one key. And the third one will be named door. Now we need our logic gates. On the left-hand side, you're going to go down to digital and select the inverter gate. Place it on the top so that it's lined up with the output of the first switch. Then we need to go back down to digital and grab an AND gate. So we're going to go to the AND folder, select two input AND. We're going to place that on our workspace. The output from the inverter will go into the first input of the AND gate, and then the key will go in as the second input. Lastly, we're going to go to OR and select two input OR. The output from the AND gate will go into the OR gate, and then the door will go as the second input. Now we're going to go to analysis and annotation and select digital, and that will be our output probe. And remember, in order to connect this, you have to click the key J as in jog or job on your keyboard, and your hand will turn into a wire spool. And now we can connect that to our output. So again, you click J on your keyboard. And the last thing we need is an LED. So you're going to go to diodes on LED, and we're going to rotate it so it points to the left. And then we're going to connect it to the output, and it needs to be grounded. So I'm going to connect it to ground. So now whenever the output is 1, the LED will turn on. Make sure you save your work as public. And then you're going to go on the worksheet and go through the different combinations and see what gives you a 1 as your output.